Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Are you trying to locate some files in your computer to no avail, and you're worried that maybe you have already deleted them or some user did it accidentally? Don't worry, you still have several options to retrieve them in case they are actually removed. In this video, I will recommend several methods to recover deleted files and restore them to your storage on your Windows PC. Let's go. When you delete files on your Windows PC, they are temporarily stored in the recycle bin, where you can restore them if necessary. All deleted files have a retention period of 93 days before they are permanently deleted from the folder. By default, you can easily find the recycle bin on your desktop. If it's not accessible, right-click on any empty space on your desktop and select Personalize. Navigate to the Themes configuration page and open the desktop icon settings. Check the recycle bin box, click Apply, and confirm your changes with OK. If you still can't see the folder, right-click on your desktop again, click View, and make sure Show All Icons is enabled. Once you see the recycle bin, double-click to open the folder. To find recently deleted files, use the Sort feature above to sort by the date they were deleted in descending order. You can also use the search box in the upper right corner to refine your results. When you have found the data, right-click on it and click the Restore button to save it back to its original location. On the other hand, if you have cloud services or NAS devices that sync with your computer, each storage typically has its own recycle bin that you can access to recover deleted files. For example, if you deleted an online-only file in your OneDrive, simply access your account on the web and open the recycle bin folder. Find your deleted file. Right-click and choose Restore. The recovered file is automatically saved to its original location. As additional information with your OneDrive storage, deleted files remain in the Microsoft account recycle bin for 30 days. If files are deleted or lost during a Windows backup, your computer usually keeps previous versions or shadow copies that Windows automatically saves as part of a restore point. To retrieve these shadow copies, right-click on the folder where you have deleted your files and open the Properties window. Go to the Previous Versions tab and restore it to the latest version if available. Even when you permanently delete files on your computer or storage device, they aren't actually erased completely, leaving behind some temporary data that can be recovered with a special tool. Personally, I'd like to recommend iMyFone DBack for Windows data recovery. If you're on a Mac, a separate version is also available for download. Not only can DBack recover data from a variety of storage devices, such as internal and external PC drives, SD cards, USB disks, cameras, and more, but it can also restore various file types including photos, videos, and documents. Although the recovery process is limited to the software's Pro version, there's a free trial that allows you to scan your selected storage for deleted files without paying for the program yet. Click the tag in the top right corner or find the link below to download it for free. After downloading, run the executable file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once DBack is installed on your computer, navigate to the PC and Hard Drive Recovery tab on the dashboard. Next, select the specific storage location where you want to recover your deleted data. To recover files from your PC's internal disks, select the appropriate partition under Internal Hard Drive section. For external devices, such as USB flash drives, be sure to connect them to your PC and choose the corresponding storage in the External Devices panel. Navigate to the Specify a Location section and select the appropriate directory from the available options. Click Recycle Bin if you'd like to recover the files you have permanently deleted there. If you cannot remember the specific folder where your deleted files were originally stored, select the Can't Find Location option for a more extensive scan of your entire hard drive. You can choose a common location such as desktop or click Select Folder and navigate to the specific directory where your files were deleted. After selecting the drive to recover from, the program will automatically start scanning for recoverable files. You can choose between the two available view modes to conveniently display each recovered file. In File Type mode, all data is grouped according to its file format. On the other hand, The file path display allows you to navigate the specific routes where the recovered files were originally stored. Depending on the file size of the recoverable data in the selected storage, note that the scanning process may take a while. While processing, you can pause and resume progress, or stop the scan altogether if the file you're looking for has already been found. To restore your files, select each one from the list and click the Recover button to proceed. Choose the location where you want to save the recovered data and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Please note that DBAC strongly advises its users not to restore the files to the original location where they were deleted or lost. Once the recovery is complete, your files should be restored to the folder you selected. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.